Enough and have a little it. And do enough for the ride. With this boaties are floating to you. And the water is exploding. He started to have a lonely job. Look at this all want to be tennis rounds. On YouTube poops. For it can be named Ramin from Mountain 123 Percy 66C. The Steam Ward NG Poobsy DVD show Piccadilly and T Waterman 13 Hour of Poop and the Thomas and Tugs Man. Collect them all with Trina here for Amazon.com.
Thank you so much, Thomas the Submarine.
Happy to help. I'll find that crate and be right back.
Hello, little fishes. There it is. Oh no, it's all tangled in seaweed. I'll need some help. They did it!
I've got it!
There, job complete. And I couldn't have done it without you, Thomas.
And those fish. All right. Good day, Cranky.
Oh, Thomas, one last thing. Happy birthday!
We are really going to need your help today.
What is that sound? Do you know?
Snoring!
Snoring? Is Steve still sleeping? There's no time for sleeping. Will you go with Blue and wake up Steve? Excellent.
We'll go start the breakfast.
Yummy, yummy. Steve, it's time to get up. Steve, wake up.
Duck, duck, goose.